Here is another story. A finance experienced guy wanted to become Python programmer. So this video is about what I advised him. So one of the customers I'm working with, I have known him for quite some time. So he has several years into accounting. Then he is a corporate finance guy. So he knows quite a bit about this particular company's finance operations. So one day he called me. Then he said, "Oh, Ishwar, so are you taking any Python programmers now?" Actually, I was not taking, but I thought, yeah, since he is a customer, I asked him, "Do you have any reference?" And he said, "No, it is not for anybody else. It is for myself." I was just shocked. He's already, I think, he had 6 years of experience, and he's pretty okay. He knew all the taxation, so all kinds of things he knew. But then he wanted to become Python programmer, and he said, well, "Okay, why? What is the idea?" Then he said, "Okay, with the AI and Python now, since others are doing, let me also try. So is it possible?" So here is the problem. So if you are experienced in some other domain when you come, so I understand the calculation here. What they say is that okay, they may have very low salary there, and the starting salary of Python programmer as a fresher, that itself may be higher than their current salary. So that, and they, if they learn Python, that should be easy, right? It should make natural sense for anybody to recruit them. But unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. See, when the freshers are hired, all the people in that batch, see, the managers are comfortable if all the people in that batch are of similar age and similar background. Ideally, it should not be the case, but that's how the biases work. There are also many problems when overqualified people come, and one of them is a ageism. Ageism is a discrimination based on the age. So it happens both ways. That means the employers also do this, and then employees also show behavior of ageism. If employees are of different age group, especially in the entry level, it causes a lot of imbalance, and I have made videos about it. And there are also problems due to the employee itself. If the employee comes with a lot of other background and then he's a fresher only in Python, then he is going to create a lot of trouble. I have made video about this topic also. Further, this is what I told my finance customer. See, one way is you already are pretty good with your domain. So you have access to a lot of corporate data. It may be salary and then the vendor management. There are so many things you are used to it. With that data itself, you can apply AI there. You don't have to code anything, but there are BI tools where using that you can show some impact. So in the finance path itself, you can bring AI content into that. And there is other approach is okay, you may decide to quit, but then you join a path where your past background helps. See, otherwise yourself will feel demotivated down the line, even if somebody recruits. And in the first place, the chance of recruiting itself will reduce if the target role doesn't use your past experience. So you may end up getting so many calls, but then nothing will really work out because of this big reason. So this is what I told him. If you combine the learning opportunity in the tech with your past domain, the chance of you getting the next role is going to be much, much greater. So this is what I told him. So he still talks to me once in a while. And if something significant I hear, I will let you know. I also have seen another person who actually did BSc in forestry, getting into tech and banking. So there are many fascinating stories, and why don't you comment and talk about it? It enriches everybody's experience. See you later.